Hello class, welcome to Basic Electronics class. Hello class. So today we are going to read a very important application of the operational amplifier. So we will read op-amp as an integrated circuit. So if you see the diagram here, so what are the changes? So instead of using the feedback resistor, we have used a capacitor. So by making this change, we will see that how the circuit will work as an integrator, and rest of the things are same. So this is the input resistance, this is the input voltage which we are giving to the inverting terminal. Okay, from here we are taking the output voltage. So rest of the things are same, only the feedback portion there is a change. We have replaced the resistor and we have put a capacitor. So now let us see that what will be the output voltage of the integrator circuit. So let us start by taking the KCL. So this is the input current II and this is the feedback current IF, and this is the current which is dividing from this node. So we can write it as II equals to IX plus IF. Okay, but what is the change? Ix equal to 0. Okay, why Ix will be 0? Because in an ideal op-amp, the input impedance is very high, so this current is equal to 0. Okay, so II will be equal to IF. Okay, so let us make this as equation number 1. Okay, now let us write what will be the value of II. So II will be equal to Vi minus Va divided by R. Okay, so it will be Vi minus Va divided by R. So what is the value of Va? Now again, if you remember the previous lecture from the virtual ground concept, Va equal to Vb. Okay, so Va equal to Vb, and what is the value of Vb? Vb is 0 because it is grounded, so it will be 0. So we can also write it as II equal to Vi divided by R. So let us put it as equation number 2. So now let us find what will the value of IF. Okay, so IF will be how much? Now before going to what is IF, you should know that what is the equation for this circuit. Okay, so if you remember, C equals to Q by V. Okay, capacitance equals to charge per voltage, or it can also be written as Q equals to C into V. And what is Q? Okay, so if I will express this charge in terms of current, so current is what? Current is change in charge concentration. Okay, so it can be written as dq by dt. So what we can write? What is I? I is dq by dt, or it can be written as d of cv by dt. Now C is a constant, so it will move out. So it can be written as C into dV by dt. Okay. So now in this case, what is the value of V? So V is how much? It is Va minus V0. So we can write it as C into dVA minus V0 divided by dt. Okay. So now again, what is the value of Va? It is 0. So it can be written as IF. Okay, IF equals to C into, this will be 0 minus V0 by dt. Okay, so we'll put this minus sign outside. So again it can be written as IF equals to minus of C into dV0 by dt. So this will be my equation number 3. Okay, so now we'll put the value of equation number 2 and 3 in the equation number 1. So it will be how much? It will be Vi by R equals to minus C into dV0 by dt. Okay, now let us express this in terms of V0. Okay, so it will be, how we can write? So again it can be written as, or we will shift it over here, so it can be minus Vi divided by R into C. I have shifted this minus and C to this side. It will be equal to dV0 by dt. Okay, so to remove this d, we will integrate both sides. Okay, so I will write it this side and I will write it this side. So integration of dV0 by dt into dt equals to minus, I am putting R and C outside the integration because it is constant. So RC integration of Vi dt. Now this dt will get cancelled and this d and this integration will get cancelled. So V0 will be equals to minus 1 by RC integration of Vi into dt. So what is my output voltage? My output voltage is the integration of the input voltage. So hence my circuit is acting like an integrator, and you should put the limit which is from 0 to t, which is from 0 to t. Okay, so hence we see that how the operational amplifier is working like an integrator circuit. In the next class we will see that how the operational amplifier will work like a differentiator circuit. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestions or any doubts, you can put it in the comment line.